Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Aerodrome. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Aerodrome was dropped down at the support of the channel and geared up after testing the support. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price has once again reached the resistance of this channel and trying to break it out. And slightly above this resistance of the channel, we will have another quite strong resistance that is at $1.34. In fact, this is a complete resistance on that starts from $1.34 and goes to $1.50 that has been previously breaking as a support zone here and support zone here as well. And now it can break as a resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive rally and the breakdown from this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. You can see that the price and rallied more than 6,000% if I play this measurement tool from this low to the current high. Then you can see that it falls more than 6,268% rally, and during this move the price and also formed this broadening rising wedge pattern as well and broke out different other patterns, like it broke out this ascending triangle, then falling wedge pattern, and now recently it formed this down channel. But while moving inside this channel, the price and broke down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And we will also analyze this breakdown as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Aerodrome. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite long-term broadening rising wedge pattern on this daily time frame chart. And you can see whenever it was getting bounced from the support, it was forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And this time when it was rejected by the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, the price then moved down and formed this down channel. And while moving inside this down channel, the price then also broke down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And now recently it is again bounced from the support and reached the resistance of this channel. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was completely entered the oversold zone. And by the way, it was entered the oversold zone after a quite long time period. Previously, it was entered the oversold zone here in the month of February 2024. And after that, recently, it has entered the oversold zone and turned bullish. And you can see that the pricing is also turned bullish with the stochastic oscillator as well. And right now, you can see it is trying to break out the resistance of this channel, and slightly above the resistance of the channel there will be a quite long-term resistance on that starts from $1.34 and goes to $1.50 that has been previously breaking a support zone here for several days, and after that has been breaking a support zone here as well, and therefore now it can be flipped into a strong resistance zone that was previously working as a support zone. And at the same time, you can see that we will also have another resistance of EMA 21 on this daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past few days it is breaking as a strong resistance. Before that, it had been breaking as a very strong support, and you can see we tested the support here and here as well, and finally we broke it down here on 24th of April 2024, and since then it is breaking as a resistance. Therefore, not to continue this rally to the upside, even after breaking out this channel, we will also need to break out this EMA 21 resistance as well. At the same time, you can see that the price has also tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bullish cloud as a support. And for the first time ever, you can see that the price has tested this bullish cloud as support. And now it has broken down the upper bands. Therefore, now in order to continue this move to the upside. Even after breaking out this channel and EMA 21 and this resistance zone, we will still need to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance as well. So we have so many resistance levels in order to recover back, and we will also have another resistance, by the way, here that will be the previous support of the broadening rising wedge pattern that can now work as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from the channel, then after the breakout, the technical target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $22.25. And in that situation, there will be a very high probability that after breaking out this channel first, the price end may break out all these resistance levels and try to re-enter the same broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And once it will be re-enter the same broadening rising wedge pattern that is broken down, then it can form another higher than previous high to reach the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, and it can hit the resistance somewhere here between $3.10 to $3.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.